Hi, I welcome you all for this session on continuous improvement and breakthrough improvement. I am Dr. Manjunath, Director of Analytics. Analytics is a company which offers training and consulting services in various areas, and one of our core area of focus is Lean and Six Sigma methodologies. Today, I am going to introduce you two concepts of continuous improvement and breakthrough improvement. Today, let us try to understand what are these improvements and what is the difference between the two improvements. Before understanding the concept of continuous improvement and breakthrough improvement, let me introduce you two big enemies for our business processes which we come across on an everyday basis. The first important enemy is called variation. Variation is nothing but any deviation from the set standard or plan. Every day in our business organizations, we keep coming across different forms of variation which can lead to increased number of defects, rejections. It could be billing errors, it could be reworks, poor customer satisfaction, variation in terms of budgets, variation in terms of cycle times. So variation everywhere, and these variations will be resulting in negative effects on our business outcomes. The second important business enemy is called as waste. So this waste can result in increased number of cycles or increase in cycle times, or it could be increase in costs, or it could be different types of resources are being wasted without producing any valuable output. So Lean and Six Sigma methodologies are two proven methodologies. Six Sigma is used for reducing the variation and Lean is used for reducing the waste. So now let me introduce the concept of continuous improvement and continual improvement. Today, the survival and sustenance of any business will depend on focusing on improvements in quality, efficiency, and being responsive to the needs of the customer. So the continuous improvement is all about small, incremental, never-ending improvement in any of these areas. Popularly, this continuous improvement is known as Kaizen. Kaizen in Japanese management philosophy is basically called as continuous improvement. Kai means change, Zen means for better. So change for better is nothing but continuous improvement. The continuous improvement, one important advantage what we can make use of is we can bring in these improvements without much investments. It all requires is the involvement of people and continuously looking at the small incremental improvements on a day-to-day basis, weekly basis, and monthly basis. Now let me look at the second type of improvement, what we call it as continual improvement. So continual improvement is bringing in significant increase in the performance in terms of quality, efficiency, or responsiveness. So to understand the concepts of continuous improvement and continual improvement, let us look at these two graphs. The graph which is there on the top left of, you can see here, it is called as pure continuous improvement, where there is a never-ending improvement. So we can see that improvement is happening on a linear basis, and every day small improvements keep happening in our business processes. Whereas the breakthrough improvement can be observed on the top right half of the graph, where you can see we maintain our current performance over a period of time, and suddenly we adopt a new process or a new innovative method where we can bring in huge improvements. So this kind of an improvement is called as pure breakthrough improvement. Pure continuous improvements were basic philosophy of most of the Japanese manufacturing companies, and Americans used to focus on pure breakthrough improvements. But in today's business context, all business organizations today need to have both types of improvements. That is, we need to improve on a regular basis through pure continuous improvement, and we need to come up with innovations in our manufacturing processes or service deliveries using breakthrough improvements. So today we need to have a combination of these two improvements, and these two improvements are today can be achieved using the proven methodologies of Lean and Six Sigma methodologies. Now, the advantages of this Lean and Six Sigma methodologies include reducing the number of errors or mistakes. Like if a process becomes a Six Sigma quality process, the number of errors or defectives can become less than 3.4 per million opportunities. The Lean and Six Sigma methodologies can also contribute for significant improvement in terms of reduction in overhead costs, productivity improvements, throughput time, increase in profitability, increase in customer satisfaction levels, reduction in inventories, and overall quality performance improvements in our business organizations. So thus, these methodologies have become the order of the day for any organization to remain profitable and to sustain their businesses over a period of time. I hope you enjoyed this particular presentation, and if you need any further details about Lean and Six Sigma or any courses on Lean and Six Sigma, you can contact us at manjunath.vs and nlinetics.in. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you all.